How to export chat from AskAI. Want to save your AskAI conversations for later? Let me show you how to do it step by step. First things first, log into www.iask.ai and open the conversation you want to save. Go to the search history and find the chat you want to export. Here is the thing, AskAI doesn't have a built-in export or download option, but don't worry, I will show you the easiest way to save your chats manually. Once you find the chat you want to export, click and highlight the text of the chat. Then right-click and choose copy or press Ctrl+C if you are using Windows or Command+C if you are using Mac. Next, open your favorite place to save it like Word, Google Docs, Notion or even an email draft. Right-click and select paste or press Ctrl+V or Command+V. Boom! Your chat is now safely saved. You can add headings, bullet points, or highlights to make it easier to read later. This is super useful for research, study notes, or saving important AI responses. And that's it. Even without a download button, you can easily save your AskAI chats manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.